Hello traders, I'm back with a new video. This video is going to be very important. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఈ వీడియోలో I'm going to start a new course on SMC. So we are going to discuss about basic SMC concepts like lows, choke, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, everything. Don't skip this video. And if you haven't still not subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button. SMC is nothing but smart money concepts, and these concepts are used by institutionals. You might ask, who are institutionals? Institutionals are big players in the market. Institutionals ante evaru? Institutionals are the companies or investors who are having $1 billion. So examples for institutionals are BlackRock, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, hedge funds, so etc. These institutions use SMC concepts to trade. This video is definitely going to be important. ఈ వీడియో నుంచి కోర్స్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో వితౌట్ వేస్టింగ్ ఎనీ టైమ్, లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద వీడియో. సో వీఆర్ బ్యాక్ ఆన్ టు ద చార్ట్స్. సో హియర్ ఫస్ట్ థింగ్, మనం పోస్ట్ చోక్, లోవర్ హైస్, లోవర్ లోస్, హైయర్ హైస్, హైయర్ లోస్ తెలుసుకునే ముందు మనం మార్కెట్లో 3 types of trends ఉంటాయని తెలుసుకోవాలి. సో there are 3 types of trends. One is bullish trend, that is you can say uptrend also. Second is downtrend, so this is also known as bearish market, bullish market. And third comes sideways market. Important is uptrend and downtrend, that is bullish market and bearish market. That's about the sideways market. బట్ నాలెడ్జ్ కోసం చెప్తున్నా, జస్ట్ సైడ్ వేస్ మార్కెట్ కూడా అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో మనం ట్రేడ్ అనేది అప్ ట్రెండ్ అండ్ డౌన్ ట్రెండ్లోనే చేస్తాం. సైడ్ వేస్ మార్కెట్లో మనం ట్రేడ్ చేయం, బికాస్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ డేంజరస్. ట్రేడింగ్ ఇన్ సైడ్ వేస్ మార్కెట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ డేంజరస్. సో అదనమాట. సో హియర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అప్ ట్రెండ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ బేసిక్ థింగ్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ బై ద వర్డ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. అప్ ట్రెండ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ market is moving towards upside. So in upside market we will find higher highs and higher lows. Always remember, in uptrend market we will always find higher high, higher low. So this is higher high, this is higher low. So market in uptrend we will always find higher highs and higher lows, because market higher highs and higher lows are formed only on uptrend, not on downtrend. And here higher highs are weak and higher lows are strong. If you can see, why you need to know about higher highs and higher lows. మీరు higher highs and higher lows ఎందుకు తెలుసుకోవాలంటే, higher lows నుంచి buyers అనేది ప్రైస్ పుష్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, higher highs నుంచి sellers అనేది ప్రైస్ కిందకి పుష్ చేస్తుంటారు. Again buyers will come, again in this market, in uptrend market buyers are strong and sellers are weak. So that is why higher highs will keep getting breached. If you can see, this is a higher high, market came down, market has given a pullback and market has started a swing move. And here you need to know one more thing, that is swing and pullback. So in uptrend market this will be your swing. So if you can see here, first market has made a swing move, then a pullback move. Market never goes in a straight line. I will show you. Market never goes in a straight line. Market will always moves like this. It will moves in a chart pattern. If you know the basic thing about graphs, there is no straight path. Okay. So if market has given a swing move, then you need to definitely expect a pullback move, then after a swing move. Same as in bearish market. So first market has made a swing move, then it has made a pullback move. So if you can see here, first in uptrend, what did I say? In uptrend buyers are strong, sellers are weak. So buyers will make a move, a swing move, then market will give a pullback. Sellers will sell from this level and it will give a small pullback, because sellers are weak. I have said that
In uptrend market, buyers are strong, not sellers. Again, buyers will become strong, it will take up. Buyers will take the price up. Again, sellers will try to push price downside. Again, buyers will come. Again, they will push. So that's how market behaves in uptrend. So we need to plan buy entries here at higher lows, and we need to plan sell entries at higher highs, because after market making a higher low, we need to definitely expect a higher high. Then after market making a higher high, we need to definitely expect a higher low. So that's how we need to plan sell trades from here, and we need to always plan buy trades from here. So I will bring how to plan, how to execute these trades in live market in further videos. So don't skip this video, watch till end. So same as uptrend, we are gonna see that same thing in downtrend also. So here in downtrend, same as uptrend, it is just a reverse trend for uptrend. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు పుల్ బ్యాక్ మూవ్ అనేది స్వింగ్ మూవ్ ఉంటుంది, స్వింగ్ మూవ్ అనేది పుల్ బ్యాక్ మూవ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ వీ విల్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎ సెల్ సైడ్ స్వింగ్ మూవ్, బట్ ఇన్ అప్ ట్రెండ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎ బై సైడ్ స్వింగ్ మూవ్. ఇన్ డౌన్ ట్రెండ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఏ బేరిష్ మార్కెట్, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఏ డౌన్ సైడ్ స్వింగ్ మూవ్ and then a pullback towards upside, then a swing move towards downside, then a pullback towards upside. So in downtrend, lower highs will be strong and lower lows will be weak, because market will keep on breaches lower lows. If you can see, lower lows got breached, again lower low got breached, lower highs, because sellers are strong. In downtrend, sellers will be strong and buyers are weak. In downtrend, sellers are strong and buyers are weak. So in uptrend, buyers are strong, sellers are weak. So when sellers became strong, market will keep on crashing. If you heard market is crashing in news or somewhere else, that means sellers are strong. That is why market keeps on crashing. So now let's get into the last and final topic, that is BOS, break of structure, choke, change of character. BOS ante break of structure and the full form of choke is change of character. So manaki break of structure ante when the structure breaks the higher high. In uptrend the structure breaks the higher high, then we will find a break of structure. If you can see, as I said, higher highs are weak in bullish market. Here if you can see clearly, the higher high is breaked. So then this is known as BOS. So again market came down, again it went up, then higher high got breaked. So this is break of structure. So then what is change of character? Where do you find change of character? So I'm removing this. When market comes down and breaks the strong higher low, as I said, uptrend low, higher lows are strong. So ఒక్కసారి హైయర్ లో అనేది బ్రేక్ అయినప్పుడు మనకి చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్, అండ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద ట్రెండ్ ఈజ్ గోనా షిఫ్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ చేంజింగ్ ఇట్స్ క్యారెక్టర్. దట్ మీన్స్ right now the market character is uptrend, bullish. So when the change of character happens, then the trend is going to change to bearish. This sign tells us that the trend is going to change, the trend is going to shift towards bearish. We need to wait for the confirmation. How will you wait for the confirmation? When market makes another break of structure. ఇంకొక బ్రేక్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అయినప్పుడే మనకి ట్రెండ్ అనేది కన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చేసింది. ద ట్రెండ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు షిఫ్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ బుల్లిష్ టు బేరిష్, ఫ్రమ్ అప్ ట్రెండ్ టు డౌన్ ట్రెండ్. సో దట్స్ హౌ బేరిష్ మార్కెట్ స్టార్ట్స్. సో వీడియో ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి a little bit bore, but it's very important to know, it's very interesting. If you're seriously interested to learn trading, then you must not skip this video, watch till the end. So అలా డౌన్ ట్రెండ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. మార్కెట్ విల్ shift from bullish to bearish, and when market wants to shift from bearish to bullish, then immediately market makes a change of character towards upside. మీకు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైనట్టుంది నేను చెప్పింది. సో దిస్ విల్ బికమ్ ద చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్. బికాస్ వై? బికాస్ ఇన్ డౌన్ ట్రెండ్ lower highs are strong, lower lows are weak. So lower high, the market has breached the lower high. So as I said, this is lower high, lower high. So lower highs are strong, lower lows are weak in bearish market. So once this lower high got breached, then this will become change of character. And next, when market makes a pullback move and then it makes a swing move, then this will become break of structure. So that's after this break of structure, market has confirmed that market is going to shift its trend from bearish to bullish. That's how market keeps on moving towards upside. So I hope you guys understood the concept of break of structure, change of character, higher highs, higher lows, uptrend, downtrend, swing, pullback. So if you have still not understood, go and watch again. If you're seriously interested in trading, if you seriously want to trade, then go and watch again. So ముందు మనం uptrend market లో always buyers are strong. Note it down. Buyers are strong in uptrend market. Buyers are strong in uptrend market. Sellers are strong in downtrend market. So note down this. Buyers are strong in bullish market. Sellers are strong in bearish market. Coming to sideways market, both buyers and sellers both are strong. So you cannot buy, you cannot sell. If you sell, then it's very risky, it's very dangerous. Mostly it's better to avoid sideways market. And if you want to trade in sideways market, you need to become a scalper. That is, you need to trade in 1 minute. So if you are a 1 minute trader, scalper, then you can trade in any trade. You can trade in bearish market, bullish market, sideways market. So scalping takes time. It's not that easy. First you need to understand higher time frame structures, how to catch trades in higher time frame. So then later you can get into because 1 minute structure is very much manipulating. So market keeps on manipulating in 1 minute structure. So first focus on higher time frame structure, then later you can focus on 1 minute. And now let's get into the live charts, how to plot this ghost choke in live market. Let's see in live charts. So we are back into the charts. So first you need to see the trend. So if you can see a basic thing, you can see market is moving up. So if market is moving up, that means market is making break of structures. So this is a higher time frame break of structure, this is higher high, this is higher low. So mark like this. Market gave a pullback. Before that, market gave a swing move, then a pullback move, then again a swing move, then again a pullback move. This is a swing, pullback, swing. So we need to wait for, this is a pullback, and then we need to wait for another swing, so that market creates another break of structure. So liquidity is easy to understand, but not break of structure and change of character. It takes time to understand. If you spend time in market, మీరు మార్కెట్లో టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తేనే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది, లేకపోతే మీకు అర్థం కాదు. సో బ్రేక్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనం మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్కి వెళ్ళే ముందు దీస్ ఆర్ ద బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. వితౌట్ దీస్ బేసిక్స్ యూ కెనాట్ understand the concepts what I'm going to teach in further videos about liquidity, supply, demand, everything. This is my another higher high, another higher low, another breakout structure. So again market given a pullback, then you need to wait for a swing move. When again market gives a swing move, then this will become higher high, this will become higher high, and this will become higher low, and this will become breakout structure. So that's how uptrend keeps on forming. And ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం బై చేస్తాం అనమాట. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లెవెల్ వేర్ వీఆర్ గోనా బై, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లెవెల్ వేర్ వీఆర్ గోనా సెల్. దట్ ఈస్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు నో అబౌట్ breakout structure and change of character. So this is the level where we are gonna plan for sell trades, because we need to expect a pullback. We are going to definitely expect a pullback. Then we are going to definitely expect a swing move. So that is why when we are gonna expect a swing move, then definitely we are going to plan for buy trades, not for sell trades. Once the pullback move is finished and once the swing move is started, then we are going to plan for buy trades in internal structure in a lower time frame. Then again we are going to plan for sell trades when after a swing, after a higher high is breached, then we need to definitely expect a pullback. So that is why we are going to plan for sell trades. And later then we are going, after market comes down with the pullback, then we need to expect a swing move. Then from here, after few confirmations, and I will explain that in further videos about strategy, how to build a strategy, how to understand liquidity in market, how to enter after confirmations. So after market comes down, then we need to plan for a buy trade. So that is how uptrend, and same as downtrend also. So if you can see, there is a nice bullish move here. This is our last breakout structure, if you can see clearly. So this is another breakout structure, because in this breakout structure, my higher high and this is my higher low. So let's mark, this is also a breakout structure. Let's mark this also. So this is also a breakout structure. So you might ask why I am marking this low as a higher low. I can mark this low also, this low also. And you might ask why I am marking this high as a higher high. Because in this, after a swing move, market has given a pullback move, then a swing move. So in this, if you can clearly observe, in this pullback and swing move, in this breakout structure where you have started marking from this candle to this candle, always remember markings should be exactly correct. Markings eppudu mistake cheyoddu. You need to always mark perfectly. You do not make mistakes. So this is the perfect breakout structure, and I will try to find the best high. Once a breakout structure is formed, then I will try to find best high and best low. So you can see after marking this line, that breakout structure, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా బెస్ట్ లో అండ్ బెస్ట్ హై చూడాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి బెస్ట్ హై ఈజ్ దిస్ క్యాండిల్. ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ సీ దిస్ బిగ్ రెడ్ క్యాండిల్ ఆర్ బ్లాక్ క్యాండిల్, సెల్ క్యాండిల్, ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ సీ దిస్ సెల్ క్యాండిల్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ హై ఇన్ మై పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. బికాస్ మనం ఇక్కడ నుంచి మార్క్ చేసినాం, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు మార్క్ చేసినాం కాబట్టి ఈ లోపల ఉన్న క్యాండిల్స్ని మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ మై పాయింట్, ఆఫ్టర్ మార్కింగ్ దిస్ బ్రేక్అవుట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ వీ నీడ్ టు consider the candles under this line where you have marked. So that is why it is important to mark in a correct way. So దీనికి ఈ లైన్ కింద మనకి ఎన్ని క్యాండిల్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవే కన్సిడర్కి వస్తాయి. సో ఇక్కడ నాకు బెస్ట్ హై ఈ క్యాండిల్ ఉంది అండ్ బెస్ట్ లో ఈ క్యాండిల్ ఉంది. సో ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఈ హై అనేది బ్రీచ్ అయింది కాబట్టి మేడ్ ఎ అనదర్ బ్రేక్అవుట్ స్ట్రక్చర్. సో దీని తర్వాత ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఏ స్వింగ్ మూవ్, పుల్ బ్యాక్ మూవ్. దీని తర్వాత మనకు ఒక పుల్ బ్యాక్ మూవ్ వచ్చింది అండ్ మళ్ళీ ఒక స్వింగ్ మూవ్ వచ్చింది. సో మనకి మళ్ళీ ఈ హై ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి పోస్ట్ మార్క్ చేసుకున్నాక వీ విల్ ఫైండ్ ఎ హైయర్ హై, బెస్ట్ హై. సో ఇన్ దిస్ క్యాండిల్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ హై and this is the best low. So that is why I mark this as a best higher low and this is also higher high. So ikkada manaki higher highs higher lows form ayitunte. So ikkada kuda manam observe cheste this candle will be my best high, this candle, and here which is your best low. So this will be my best low, and this is also considered as change of character, choke. And when market has given a change of character, so this is our higher high, this is our no higher low, because market has given a change of character. Then higher low, this is our higher low. So this is our higher high. Again one more higher high. So market has came down and breached the higher low, not higher high. If market keeps on breaking higher high, then we will market has another break of structure. మనకి ఇంకొక బ్రేక్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఒకవేళ మార్కెట్ మళ్ళీ ఇదే హై బ్రేక్ చేస్తే ఐ విల్ మార్క్ దిస్ యాజ్ అనదర్ బ్రేక్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. బట్ మనకి అలా జరగలేదు. మార్కెట్ కేమ్ డౌన్ అండ్ బ్రీచ్ ద హైయర్ లో. ఈ హైయర్ లో అనేది బ్రేక్ అయింది. సో మనకి చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ అనేది వచ్చింది. దీని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మనకి వెయిట్ చేయాలి కన్ఫర్మేషన్ కోసం. ఆఫ్టర్ మార్కెట్ మేకింగ్ అండ్ అనదర్ మూవ్స్ then market has confirmed that market trend is going to change towards bearish. So then we will start finding lower lows and lower high and lower low. So again a lower low. So again market has given a pullback. If you can clearly see, it has given a pullback. So next break of structure కావాలి అంటే lower low అన్న బ్రేక్ చేయాలి, lower high అన్న బ్రేక్ చేయాలి. If lower high got breached, if this level got breached, then market will create as a new change of character. మళ్ళీ మనకి చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ వస్తుంది. సో if market breaks, market has not done that. Market has moved towards bearish itself. So again, if you can see in this higher lower low and lower high, considering this lower high lower low, market has break this lower low. If you can clearly see, this is the lower low. So this will become my another break of structure. So again this will become my lower high and this will become my lower low. What did market do again? Market has given a small pullback and again market went down. So now I will mark this as another break of structure. So this is my another lower high, and till where market has came, this low got breached. So best low will be this low, best high will be this high. So this will become my lower low. If you have not understood the concept, go and watch this video 10 times, then you will understand. And practice on live charts. What did I explain? Go and practice on live charts, then only you will understand this concept. It feels complicated, but by practicing this thing it feels easy and simple. Everything depends on you. If you are seriously want to become a trader, then you need to understand these concepts. So this is how, these are the basics. So today we have finally finished the basics. So if you like this video, you can subscribe, and if you don't want to miss what I am going to bring in future about SMC concepts, go and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Telegram channel. I'm going to give free live trades in my Telegram channel. Let me show you. So this is my Telegram channel. I will give live trades in this channel. If you can see, these are the trades I have given to my community who are with me. So that's how we trade. So go and subscribe, and it's free for first 500 subscribers. So immediately, if you are interested and to learn more concepts, I will provide this link in the description, my Telegram, free Telegram link. And that's it for this video. Till then, see you. So మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే go and hit the like button and subscribe for upcoming videos, for upcoming SMC videos. So thank you. Till then, see you.